Okay, so today I'm going to give you a review on the 91 Sentra I. It's got a 1.8 liter twin cam 16 valve engine in it with a aftermarket Pioneer stereo, 2 Boss subwoofers, and a Boss amp, the ones that came out my Camaro. And yeah, so it's got the automatic seat belts, which are a pain in the ass a lot of the time. It's got trunk plenty big enough for around two to I'm gonna say about 2 to 6 subwoofers. Then it's a 5-speed. The fifth gear went out at 194,000 miles, get about 28 miles a gallon. The only thing wrong with it is the tail light. Tail light doesn't work when the running lights are on. The fifth gear shot. 88 is the top I've had it, and that was on the interstate. Yeah, and the horn doesn't work. I broke that. It's a good car. It gets 28 miles a gallon. That's the reason I got it. You can get these things for like $1,500 on Craigslist in good condition. I got this one with 194,000 miles for technically $30.
Let's waste time. Chase around my head. I need
your grace. 0 to 60, and the sound of the car with the Flowmaster Super 10 on it from the inside, no stereo. And 60. It's pretty quick for as cheap as they are. They're reliable as hell. You won't get a car tougher. I've got a friend with the exact same car, except it's a 2-door. He paid $400 for his, and he he got 220,000 miles on it, and his brother runs that thing to death. So yeah, they're good cars. They last forever. They don't have very many problems that I know to them. On Kelley Blue Book, they got like a 4.8 out of 5 stars, and mainly the 4.8 is because of the looks of it, because not many people like the looks. But thanks for watching.